Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Stacy, and welcome back for the old subscribers, and for the new ones, you're welcome. Please take a seat, get something and sit down, or maybe you prepare your hair so that you can braid it alongside with me. So today we are going to be making this braided wig. Actually, last time I made a braided wig tutorial, and I was told I didn't really show detailedly on how to do the braid. So today I'll be showing you guys mostly detailedly on how I actually did the braid. So everything I used to make this wig will be listed in the description box. Please keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe, guys. Like, share and leave a comment down below. So right now I'll be bleaching my knots and leave it for about 20 minutes because I'm using a 20% developer to do the bleaching. Actually, you check my other videos on how to bleach knots. You will know how many you will need to bleach your own hair. Please excuse the noise behind. I'm actually traveling and I'm recording on my phone. So keep on watching and yeah. So we are going to leave it for about 20 minutes like I said and wash it off. Then our hair is ready to be braided. Please check the description box to know exactly what I used to do the braids. These braids are from, I don't know, I'll just leave everything in the description box. Just keep on watching. So I actually made about 4 bundles or 4 to 5 bundles. I actually separated like this, made 3 layers, and I'm going to show you now to tell you how to do the braids in front on the ponytail. So you can still use the same method to do the other 3 layers behind. Just watch. On the ponytail portion, I decided to separate it into 4 and actually remove a little portion at the center so that the braids can get maybe this. I don't know. Please, you guys should watch. I'm not good at explaining. I'm just a visual learner. I don't really know how to explain things very well, but I will make sure you guys try to understand what I'm doing. Just watch. Thank you. Okay guys, if you need any wig, you can check me on Instagram on my business page, Stacy Benz Wigs, or just check you can get me quickly on Snapchat, Stacy Benz as well, Stacy Benz joined together. So, or you check my description box, I have all the links to wherever you can get it from. I think this is the best method of doing cornrows. We have another one called Ghana Bakala. That one you actually use the small. You take small hair and cross it over, but this time I'm putting it under my thumb, and as you can see, I put under my thumb and I braid it. You take another one, put under your thumb. Is this a thumb? I mean, I don't really know the name of this finger. Whatever, just put it under your second finger, and you braid. Each braid you add one, so it will give this smooth nature, like it will be growing as you braid. So that's just how I can explain. Maybe if you watch, you will understand. I'm going to show you how I did 3 of the braids, and yeah. Added some elastic bands and some clips behind to secure the wig. So I went ahead and finished the ends, soaked it in hot water, and voila, we got our 3-layered high ponytail braided wig. Look how gorgeous this is, girls. If you want any of these wigs I make on my channel, please check my description box, and please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video, and see you in my next one. Bye.